mad because we sat in the hall. I'm like, why don't you go over there?
Who did?
Yeah, go over there. Come on.
Whoa! And I can feel the vibration. Stay reckless for that one.
That's not a vibration, that's your echo in your body.
You know what? You better get out of my face.
They should have had that shoe.
How long is this going to last? About 30 minutes? Okay. Not even that. Boom! Boom! And I got that on camera. Damn! Some class people. Some class. You're breaking my damn lip. Ooh.
My camera didn't pick that up.
Yeah.
Them little ones, yeah. Because she has to report. Oh, yeah.
That's gonna be raw. That was stupid. Oh, that was bad. What's up, baby K? What's up, baby?
Oh, this shit got those other ones that came in the last time. I'll throw you over there so you can try over there with.
How could a little spark in the sky just produce all that bright sound? No, the colors and stuff. You see it's a little dot, then it just bursts into like this big wonderful, like that.
Because the sexiness.
Yeah.
It's magic.
Yeah.
I'm convinced.
Yeah.
Oh, something happened. Something happened.
How you know?
I don't know. My mystery lesson.
Oh, dang. Oh. I don't have that. No.
You got black people in this thing.
I have
Spider
that.
sense. You know bad stuff can happen.
I do.
Exactly. Let's go over there and get some eggs. I can't walk all that.
I know, it's not cool. I hate it when people smoke. I don't hear this.
Huh? Tell me about it.
Leaning. Let me get the camera.
So?
Because you keep leaning and talking to people. What happened when you guys smoke? Hold on, man.
Nah.
Who, me?
Yeah.
Mad because you're a bitch.
Nah.
So?
So?
Being a bitch is necessary sometimes.
Whoa!
Well, I like the red, white, and blue.
Stay buffing all the way over there. Bang, bang, bang.
Oh, beautiful.
Bang.
For spacious skies, forever waves of grace. For mountains majesty, above the fruited plain. America, America, God save gotta click on so I can see. You know, I can't even see me.
Yeah, you
You
can't
can't
see
see
it.
me.
Man, you can't see nothing but the fireworks. Oh, some light. What now?
That was the part you did.
It's done. You gotta take a picture?
Yeah, the light flashes. You know.
Bet. Take it off.